What one piece of equipment is your salon missing that could make you an extra $50,000? Well, I'm holding my hand, and if you want to know what it is, watch this video. Hey, it's Jason Everett from High Performance Salon.com, and I have to tell you this one thing that I'm about to show you, it's behind my back, this one thing I'm about to show you has made our average client anywhere from $25,000 to over $75,000, and in some cases up to $150,000 of brand new profit for the salon. I'm not talking revenue, I'm talking about new profit inside their salon, and I'm gonna share it with you, and I'm gonna tell you as much as I can in a short, quick video on how you can get it installed in your salon. But before I tell you this, I wanna tell you that other industries have been doing this for years, and finally the technology has caught up, and this is probably one of the best things you will ever do if you do it correctly, is that there's a new company out called Salon Scale, and you might have heard of them before. There's even a couple other companies that have some Bluetooth scales on the market, but we've found this is absolutely one of the best software and Bluetooth scale combinations to use. Now you might say, okay, Jason, cool. Bluetooth scale for measure my color, I get it, been there, I've seen it. But something that Doug and I did this last year in the High Performance Salon Academy literally changed the game for salons. Because if you go and you actually get some work done on your vehicle or on your car, they will charge you for the labor and they will charge you for the parts. Now, previously in a salon, you had to kind of, squeeze everything into your color mixing bowl and then just guess at how much you were using. But what if you could actually measure exactly what you use? Not only that, but think about this, the parts and labor idea. What if you knew exactly how much you paid for color? So let's say it was $7 or $8 or $10 worth of color for that head of hair that you're working on. And then you marked it up, meaning that you charge for it just like you would retail, meaning you mark up the color. If it was $7, you mark it up so it's actually sold on the client ticket for $14. Now, before your head explodes, just stay with me, and I promise at the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can get some information on how you actually get this set up. So the cool part about this is you measure out the color, you mark it up for the guest, you add a separate line item charge on their ticket, and then that way, you actually have a profit center in your color. So do me a favor and just total up how much color you happened to use last month and add that to your profit. You think that would be a good thing? Even if you remove the amount of money you pay out in commissions, because by the way, if you're gonna treat it like retail, you should commission it like retail. And that gives you an idea of how much more money you could make if you implemented this actually inside your salon. Now, if you're like most salons at this point, they go, Jason, great idea. My staff's gonna ask me 1,000 questions. All my customers and clients are gonna freak out. Nobody's gonna go for it. It's not gonna work. Well, I'm here to tell you that hundreds of clients and customers just like you have implemented this inside their salon and had tremendous success with it. And if you want help with it, all you have to do is message me the word scale, and I will send you some information on how you can actually implement this inside your salon and let you know if you want some actual help on how to do it from us, how we can actually get that accomplished. So like I said, anywhere between $25,000 to $75,000 or even $150,000 is waiting for you on the other side of this. All you have to do is message me the word scale. We've seen this work so well with our salons. I can't wait to see it work for you in the salon that you have. Hope this has been helpful. If it has, do me a favor, tag a friend in it that you know has a salon that's spending a lot of money on color and wants to turn it into a profit center. Until then, have a great week. Take care. Bye.